Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Connor Pregesser.
Good evening, everyone, and what a lovely Sunday we have all had here today. As we head into the day tomorrow, we can expect more of that. In fact, things are even going to warm up for us a little bit, so if you're a fan of today, I think tomorrow is looking very, very nice for you. Tuesday, slightly different story. We're not talking about rain, but there is a cold front coming that's going to cool our temperatures down, feel just a little bit more like fall as opposed to this late summer renaissance we've had here with our temperatures. In the midweek, that stable and cool pattern is going to settle in. We're talking about a little bit of some showery activity perhaps, but nothing really deep set at this point. Currently out there right now, 81 for us here in Billings. That's a very nice afternoon. Again, we were thinking maybe a couple degrees cooler than that. Some of that early cloud cover cleared out right away, and we got sunshine bright and early in those heating hours of the day. Popped our temperatures up just a little bit. 79 over in Miles City. Right now, that 80 here, or 81 in Billings, is really the warmest spot in the state. We had the conditions that were really just right for that today. Taking a look at our 24-hour temperature change, we can see the effects of that cold front. Generally a much cooler air mass again here in Billings. A little bit of an anomaly, but Lewistown, Miles City, Sheridan, as well as up in the northeast. Cooler temperatures in the wake of that frontal passage yesterday, and a bit of a wind shift for us as well. As we look across much of the region, those winds are coming out of the northwest. That's what we tend to see in the wake of that cold front. And that's what's bringing a little bit of that cooler air into the region. Now let's talk tomorrow. Temperature trend jumping back up. We said a little bit more warmer weather coming our way. This model wants to jump us up to about 84. I think there's a good chance we get even just a little bit higher than that, jumping up into the mid 80s again. Plenty of sunshine, and likely a southwest breeze again. Taking a look at our satellite and radar again, we can see we started the day with some of those clouds. That's basically this system over here, and it cleared out really, really quickly, and it's just been nothing but clear, dry skies for us since then. Taking a look at our forecast model, let's see what it wants to do. The answer, I'll break the story here for you, is not very much. Basically, this cloud is going to clear out. We get a clear day on Monday. The only thing of note here is these winds picking back up. Again, that's that warm southwest wind for us on Monday. Heading into the day on Tuesday, we talked about things cooling down. Still not a lot of rain, but we noticed those wind arrows coming out of the northwest. That's our cooler wind for the day on Tuesday. Now, one more quick thing, interjection, you'll have to just humor me here, as we were talking about the hurricane, and a lot of that stuff is theoretical. We're looking at the forecast models. This is the water vapor satellite. This is real-time imagery. This is Tropical Storm Florence right here. This is what it looks like from a satellite right this very moment. You can see that storm is very well organized. That's, again, a sign that it's going to strengthen. So, again, we'll keep you up to date on that as it keeps coming the way of the East Coast and strengthening there. Tonight's forecast, clear skies, temperatures in the 50s, very pleasant overnight period. Tomorrow, again, we're talking temperatures jumping up into the upper 80s. Forsyth, Miles City, Broadus looking like the hot spots there in the southeast. Some cooler temperatures, Harleton, Livingston, White Sulphur, Springs. But for us here in Billings, kind of in the middle, I've got us down for 86. The outlook. Tuesday, again, we're noticing the contrast between Monday and Tuesday. Big cool down on Tuesday. Chances of some showers. Best days are looking like Thursday, maybe into Friday morning. We'll get some cloud at the very least, but that pattern is going to stay pretty level for the rest of the week.